Do you know what the soup is called and how it is made? Watch to the end to see the step-by-step process and also to know the name and where the soup originated from. Hello, welcome back to my kitchen. My name is Gina, and if you're new here, you're welcome. And to my returning subscribers, you are most welcome. Thank you for the continuous love and support. On this channel, I share kitchen hacks, tips and recipes that will make your time in the kitchen easier and enjoyable. These are all the ingredients used in making this soup. I made use of goat meat, chicken, dried prawns, dried chili pepper, salt, pepper soup spices, crayfish powder, melon, which is also known as egusi, stockfish, and dried Panla fish. This is a traditional soup from Delta State, Urobo to be precise. And in the making of the soup, there is no usage of palm oil or onion. All the list of the ingredients used in making of this soup will be in the description box. Do well to check it out. The name of this soup is called Egusi Peppersoup. It originated from Delta State, Urobo tribe. I am from Delta State and I am Urobo. So this is our traditional soup. No usage of palm oil or onion. I proceeded to cook my protein by adding seasoning cube and scotch bonnet peppers so as to build flavor. These are my egusi, which is the melon, dry chili pepper and my pepper sauce spices. I removed the shell from the Calabash Nutmeg, while for the dry prawns, I'm going to be blending the head of the dried prawns with heat so as to build the flavor. I also removed the seed from the black Negro pepper because I don't want my soup to be bitter. Everything is properly washed. I poured it into my blender so as to blend it into a smooth, thick paste. If you are getting value from this video, kindly give this video a thumbs up. Share with your friends and families. Thank you. I soaked the stockfish with hot water and salt. So my protein, my meat is already properly cooked. So I add in the soaked stockfish, the dried prawns and also the dried Panla fish to the boiling protein. All these steps are very important so as to build the flavor of the soup. After mixing, I went ahead to add in my blended smooth melon paste to the soup, cover it and allow it to boil. And there were some melon paste still left in the blender jar. I rinse it using extra water so as to get everything. Nothing goes to waste. If you have watched this video to this very point, thank you so much. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, kindly subscribe for more delicious recipes and kitchen hacks. If you are not from Delta State and you have tried the soup, how was your experience? Let us know in the comments. And if you haven't tried the soup and you are not from Delta State, would you love to try it out? Let me know your thoughts also in the comment section. After allowing the soup to boil, I uncovered the pot and I added my ground crayfish powder, added salt and crayfish seasoning cube. That's the kind of seasoning cube I made use of in the making of the soup. Crayfish seasoning cube. Added salt, mixed, tasted to get the required taste I want. This soup is Egusi Peppersoup and it can also be called Oilless Egusi Soup. This recipe is perfect for those that want to still enjoy Nigerian food without adding oil to their meal. The soup is ready and it is very delicious. The only acceptable swallow to use in eating this soup is starch or yellow gari, that is yellow eba. Will you be giving this recipe, which is the egusi peppersoup, a try? Let us know your thoughts in the comment section, and if you will not give it a try, let us also know in the comment section why you will not do it, so that we can learn from you. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate. If you haven't subscribed to the YouTube channel, kindly subscribe, share with your friends and families. If you enjoy watching this video, kindly give the video a thumbs up. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.